Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to study mathematics. So take out the mathematics book ICSE Mathematics 1, chapter 5, pages 70 to 73. So first open the page 72. Follow me children. Numbers from 40 to 49. 40. See here 10 pencils, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 4 tens. See, 4 tens, 0 ones. So 40. 40 is equal to 4 tens plus 0 ones, 40. So spelling is very important. FORTY, 40. Okay. Next see pencils. 110 means 10 pencils. Okay. So 110, 210, 310, 410. Total 4 tens. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens plus 1, 1. 41. 41 is equal to 4 tens plus 1, 1. See the 41 here. Number name FORTY, 40, ONE, 1. You know children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number name practice first 1 to 9 and see here 40, FORTY, 40. So 41 number you see first 41 and right here right side you write here 41. Okay. Next 42. Okay. 4 tens, see 4 tens, 4 tens and 2 ones. Okay. 42. FORTY, 40, TWO2. 43. 4 tens, see 4 tens, 3 ones. So you write here 4 tens, 3 ones. So you write 43. FORTY, 43. THREE, 3. Okay, 43. Next 44. So see first left side 4 tens, 4 ones. So write here 44. 44. FORTY, 40. Okay. 44. FORE. Okay. 44. 44. Next see 44, 45. Okay. 45. So 4 tens, write here 4 tens, 5 ones. So write 40. FORTY, 45. FIVE, 45. Okay. Next 46. 4 tens, 6 ones. Okay. So write here 4 tens, 6 ones. 46. FORTY, 40. 6. S-I-X. 6. 46. 47. 4 tens, 7 ones. Okay. So, any problem you count 4 tens, 7 ones. Write here 47. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 48. 4 tens, 8 ones. 4 tens, 8 ones. Okay, 8 ones. 48. F-O-R-T-Y. 48. E-I-G-H-T. 48. See 49. 4 tens, 9 ones. Okay, so 49. Write 40 first. F-O-R-T-Y. 40 and 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay. So practice this page. Next page 50 to 59. Page 73. Okay. See 50. Okay. So 5 tens, 0 ones. You count 1, you count children bits, small bits. So 10, 10, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. So total 5 tens plus 0 ones. Spelling number name 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. It's number name. Okay. So practice 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Next 51. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See 5 tens and 1 1. Okay. So right side you see children 51. F-I-F-T-Y. 50 O-N-E 1. Okay. Next 52. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 5 tens and 2 ones. 52. F-I-F-T-Y. 50 T-W-O 2. Next see 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Okay. So write here 5 tens, 3 ones. So write here right side F-I-F-T-Y. 53. T-H-R-E-E. 53. Next see 3 is here. Okay, count 1 to 3. 3 ones is here. So 54 next. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens and 4 ones. Okay. So 5 you write here 5 tens, 4 ones. So you write here 50 F-I-F-T-Y. 54. F-O-U-R. 54. Okay. Next 55. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens and 5. See 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So write 5 first, 5 tens, 5 ones. So write here 55. F-I-F-T-Y. 55. F-I-V-E. 55. Okay. Next children, see 56. Again you count tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. So write here 5 and see 6 ones. So write here 6. So spelling FIFTY 50, 6 SIX 6, 56, 57, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. So 5 tens plus 7 ones. So write 57. SEVEN 7. Okay, 58, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. See 5 tens. Okay, 8 ones. Okay, 8 ones. So write here 8. And spelling, you know children, 50 write first, FIFTY 50, and 8 spelling you know, so write 8, 58, FIFTY 58, EIGHT 58. Next 59. 59 5 tens. You write here 5 tens. Count 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. 9 ones. You see 9. So count the bits. 9 ones. Small. See the picture here. So 9 ones. And write here 59 FIFTY 59 NINE 9. So practice children now tens, ones, number and number name also. So I hope everyone understood 40 to 49, 50 to 59. Now children, take out your school diary, chapter 5, pages, your homework pages 50 to 53. So practice.